Hurricane Melissa is causing severe flooding, deaths, and power outages as the storm churns across the Caribbean. This is a live look now from Nassau, Bahamas, which is next in line to see the storm. Bringing in meteorologist Brian Slocum in that live picture. Brian, it looks quite calm, just, cloudy, overcast, but, not certainly any downpours or anything.
No, the storm itself, it's a good distance from Nassau at this point, and I think it's going to impact more the southern and eastern portion of the Bahamas pretty quickly. The storm isn't what it was yesterday. This is no longer the Category 5 monster, but it's still a hurricane, and we still have to watch this pretty closely. It is a Cat 2. Winds are down to 100 miles per hour. Usually low pressure, the lowering pressure is an indication to us that the storm is strengthening. It hit Jamaica with a pressure reading of 901 millibars. It's come up 73 millibars. That's a lot since that time, as it interacted with obviously western Jamaica as well as parts of eastern Cuba. Now it's back over open water. Re-strengthening isn't likely going to be an issue just because the storm is dealing with some drier air. It is also contending with some wind shear that's going to start to pick up, helping the storm accelerate a little bit more. You can see the winds again may come up a little bit as we go into the evening hours. We could see another landfall or two, just depending on exactly how that storm tracks. But you can see how it races along, and by tomorrow night, this is very close to Bermuda, and then continues to race along, moves out into the open waters of the Atlantic. Once it gets kind of north of Bermuda, it starts to get out of the Gulf Stream, and those cooler waters should have a transition to an extratropical cyclone, probably by Friday. If not Friday, then by Saturday. Locally, we have more rain to contend with. We're not done yet, and we still have that cloudy and cool flow of air coming in. It's keeping temperatures well below average today, but we'll start to see some sunshine peeking out again tomorrow, even as early as later in the morning as we start to move this system away. And for the weekend, we've got nice weather on tap, although we will have some colder mornings, and that could lead to some patchy frost. If you joined us this morning, temperatures are the same. They haven't moved at all. Temps sitting mostly in the upper 40s. We do have a few spots on our eastern fringe, southern areas too, that are closer to 50 degrees. A couple sprinkles, not too much, not a lot of organized rain at all. In fact, the mountains that did have some rain this morning have dried up a bit, but there's still a few very light raindrops, parts of Stokes County getting into Surrey County as well. There's more coming. It's from a storm system that's just west of us. Along the I-81 corridor, we have some rain there, but hasn't really worked its way into many of the North Carolina highlands at this point, but it will. As you take a look at the surface map, here's our storm, big low spinning around. This is going to start to pivot into our area, and this band is what's going to bring us our better rain chances later today. Mainly tonight, if you live in the Piedmont, through the overnight hours, and should begin to taper off early in the morning. So we're just dealing with clouds for the most part and a cool breeze, and that wind is coming out of the northeast. The combination of those factors is what's really keeping our temperatures way down. Our normal high for today's date is 67 degrees. We're going to be our high about 15 degrees cooler than that. Notice how we start to get some impact icons showing up a little bit later in the evening. Temperatures warming all along. I think our high will come sometime late in the evening, around midnight or so, before that begins to fade out. For the foothills, temperatures hovering around 50 this evening. Impact icons really start at 6. I'm not sure why they're not showing up, but that's when our impact period will begin to develop. And for the Mountain West, same thing. High rainfall chances start mid-afternoon today. Expect, if you're in our western counties, another inch of rain or more will be a possibility, but a quarter to a half an inch of rain across Triad communities later on. So we're back near 60 degrees, a nice Halloween forecast. This weekend looks nice too. Don't forget, we do fall back and change our clocks back this weekend.